Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Solve for the value of x given that x plus 3 factorial minus 8 factorial all over 64 equals 7 factorial. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now let's answer this question together. Our goal here is to solve for the real value of x. Now, before we start, let's recall what is a factorial. In mathematics, the factorial is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to the given positive integer, and denoted by that integer and an exclamation point. For example, if we have 8 factorial, it is equivalent to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And also take note that if we look at this one, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, this can be written as 7 factorial. Therefore, we can say that n factorial must be equal to n times n minus 1 factorial. Now, we will use this concept or this identity to answer this question. Now, let's start. Let's solve for the value of x. First thing we need to do is to multiply both sides by 64. Now, we know that 64 is just 8 times 8. Now, here we go. We have 8 times 7 factorial. And we know, using this identity, that's equivalent to 8 factorial. So, the right-hand side is just 8 times 8 factorial. Now, let's add 8 factorial on both sides. And notice that we have a common factor of 8 factorial. So, let's factor out 8 factorial. This will give us 8 plus 1 times 8 factorial. And take note that 8 plus 1 is just 9. So, this is just 9 times 8 factorial. Again, using this identity, we can say that the right-hand side is equivalent to 9 factorial. Now, since they are equal, we can say that x plus 3 must be equal to 9. And if we subtract 3 on both sides, 9 minus 3 is just 6. Therefore, the value of 6 in this equation must be equal to 6. And as always, we are done.